Today, guys, I am gearing up to go night fishing. It's a very fun thing I've been playing with this past year. It's like 50 degrees tonight. Believe it or not, I'm gonna try the top water first. We're just gonna see, because it's moonlit, very moonlit night. Alright, I'll see y'all out there. Alright, I don't know how well you guys can see me, but we're here. I'm gonna start throwing the throwback baits LT Wake Walker. It's like 51 degrees out here, but I think I can get a topwater bite. I don't know. It's been a warmer 50 degrees this past 2 days, so we'll see. Hey guys, can I join the cool kids club? Alright, this has changed from night fishing to morning fishing. That sun done came up. We're still throwing the White Walker. I don't know if you ever see it. I can see them waking down the banks and stuff. Let's see if I can get one right here. Oh my god, I got one. On the Wake Walker. On the Wake Walker. On the Wake Walker. Get up here. Heck yeah. Little fish, but a Wake Walker fish. Heck yeah. I don't know how well y'all can see me, but that's the first fish on the Wake Walker. Hold on, let me flip this around. Alright, that's the first one. First one in the morning. It's probably like 1.5 pounds. Hey, that Wake Walker, he's a little fat one. He's been feeding. Ooh, nice little fish. Another last look at this fish before we let her go. Ooh, I'm slipping. And I'm slipping. I'm going in the water. Okay. I have to be careful here. Oh my god, it's blowing up. Alright, let's get a nice release on this one. Hey, buddy. Thank you for biting. Ooh. That almost was bad. Heck yeah, that's number 1 in the morning. On top water, 51 degrees. Alright, we're back at it. Throwing this Wake Walker LT. Let's get a thumbnail or something. Alright. So there's a fish back there on the end of this tree. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step back, step away from it. See, I'm 10, 15 foot up on the bank right here. There's a bass up on it. He's sitting about right here. Take a really long cast out and you slowly work it back. Oh, oh, oh. Spooking them. We'll just say those are small. That's one. Oh yeah. Another nice one on the weight walker. Look at that one. Pretty bass. Alright, this is number 2 of the morning. Nice bass, ate that weight walker. She hit it right at the bank right there. I know you guys saw that. That was so cool. I definitely need to come out here more this weight walker. I can't believe they're hitting it this good with it being like 50 degrees out here. They're schooling behind me. Holy cow. This is a crazy morning. Alright, we're gonna get a good release on that bass that I caught. Oh, they're blowing up everywhere up here. They're blowing up down there. See all this bait up here? It's crazy. Anyway, let's get this one back. Beautiful bass, beautiful bass. Heck yeah, that's number 2 of the day. Number 2. I'm having fun trying out this new lake, new pond. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's get back into this absolute mayhem. You would think I would retie after that, but no, I'm feeling ballsy. Feeling like a man. Alright, I'm retiring. I'd be awfully sad to lose this bait. They're coming, they're coming. Ooh, they gonna blow up in front of us? Oh, there's a big one right there. That's one. Thank you, buddy. That's a good 3-pounder. Belly crawling today, boy. That's another nice one. We like to see that. Beautiful. Another nice one on the Metro, or not the Metro, but the throwback baits, weight walker. Another nice thick one, thick healthy bass. That's what we like to see. Some beautiful ones like this. How she ate it too, oh my gosh, T-bone in it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. One last look at that fish. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice 3-pounder. Go on. Oh, wrong way, girl. Don't flash me, you freaking. Go on. Not the cleanest release, but a release. Heck yeah, let's get some more. All right. Oh my gosh. Why me? Why me? Why did you not want to eat it? Got him. Yes. That's a good one right there. Beautiful catch. She came up and ate that. Oh my gosh, she ate it too. She ate it so good. That's the one I just hooked with the S waver. Nice, and this is an actual 4-pounder, not like last video. Beautiful. Love to see that. Dude, how she freaking... Beautiful long one. Can't believe she ate it. It's like the 4th time that fish hit. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, stop recording. Nothing on the scale. Oh. $3.53. Not bad. That's best. Let's get a release on her. One last look at that fish. Beautiful 3.5 pounder. I'd love to see that. Oh my gosh. Dude, she's mad. Wow. That's good. That's number 4 of the day. Dude, she hit it like, she definitely meant business on that one. Oh my gosh. There's another culvert up here. Let's see if we can get another one, boys. I almost forgot to film an outro today. We caught them up. Caught them good. Caught a bunch of fish. I mainly use that Wake Walker and the S-Waver and that was a pretty cool bite. I think that's one of my top 10 this year, definitely. I'm wore out. I'm tired. Ready to get home. Anyway, I'll catch y'all. See you in the next one.